following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Attacks by the undead have been reported in several states across the country. They include Massachusetts, Michigan, New York, Ohio, and Texas. The dead are rising from their graves and are attacking the human race. At this time, it is expected that more attacks of this nature will occur in several other states in the next few hours. The intent behind the attack is unknown at this time. It has been observed that a bite or exchange of fluids is a method of transmission. If any of these things occur to you, you will turn into one of these creatures. This is an extremely dangerous situation if they crave the taste of human flesh. To protect yourself from potential effects, all residents of the United States are strongly encouraged to follow these instructions. Stay away from these creatures. Get inside a building with few doors and windows. Do not make eye contact with them. Doing this will incite attack. Seek shelter in a room above or below ground, preferably one that is blocked by several doors. Do not use any electrical devices, as this may attract them. Make sure that you take food and water with you to your place of refuge. It is not known whether this event will last for hours, days, or even longer. Stay calm, as authorities have been dispatched to deal with these creatures. An all-clear siren will be sounded when this situation is under control.
Civil danger warning. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the New York Police Department. Civil authorities have issued a warning for the city of New York. At around 8:46 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, unconfirmed reports have come in from the New York City area that a commercial airliner has crashed into one of the towers at the World Trade Center complex. The local media is trying to receive confirmation on what caused the event. It is unknown whether or not this was accidental or an act of terrorism. While civil authorities are trying to maintain the situation, citizens around the World Trade Center area are being advised to stay away from the area until the situation is under control. Stay tuned for further details as they follow.
We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. A nuclear attack was commenced against the United States. 15 nuclear bombs have detonated in several areas across the country. They include Baltimore, Boston, Chicago, Denver, Detroit, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, New York, Pennsylvania, Portland, Maine, Portland, Oregon, San Francisco, San Diego, Seattle, and Washington, D.C. At this time, all residents within a 400-mile radius of these areas should seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. If there is a nearby location that has been designated as a fallout shelter, go there now. Otherwise, seek shelter in the interior part of a strong building on the lowest floor. Make sure you have food, water, and a battery-powered radio with you. Do not exit the fallout shelter until the all-clear has been given. Tune to a station that is serving your area for more information. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular program at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WPIX. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
By the request of the United States Department of Defense, the United States government has confirmed extraterrestrial contact has been made. 100 extraterrestrial spacecrafts have been spotted hovering over major cities throughout the world. Little is known about the aliens at this moment. President Obama has stated martial law is now in effect. Mandatory curfew for the whole United States has been put into effect immediately. The United States government does not know if the extraterrestrials have hostile motivations, but warn everyone to be extremely cautious at this time. Do not shoot any weapons toward the alien spacecraft. Repeat, do not shoot any weapons toward the alien spacecraft. Tune into your local news channel for more details. Once again, the United States government has confirmed extraterrestrial contact has been made. By the request of the United States Department of Defense, the United States government has confirmed extraterrestrial contact has been made. 100 extraterrestrial spacecrafts have been spotted hovering over major cities throughout the world. Little is known about the aliens at this moment. President Obama has stated martial law is now in effect. Mandatory curfew for the whole United States has been put into effect immediately. The United States government does not know if the extraterrestrials have hostile motivations, but warn everyone to be extremely cautious at this time. Do not shoot any weapons toward the alien spacecraft. Repeat, do not shoot any weapons toward the alien spacecraft. Tune into your local news channel for more details. Once again, the United States government has confirmed extraterrestrial contact has been made.